To start the vertical design process in ASE, you need to set up a design environment. That would usually involve creation of a dedicated drawing that you'll use to set up the vertical control and establish the vertical design. So I've started a new drawing here, drawing 3, but I'm going to go ahead and save this and give it a name for the vertical design that we're going to do in ASE. And I'm already in the project main folder, so I'll just call this ASE design. And I might have a different version, so I'll just call this 1. And I'm going to set my annotative scale to 20, just so it'll increase the size of my text and things and the labels. So I'll want to create some type of horizontal reference for an underlay to design on top of, which is typical for a master plan or subdivision design. So first thing I'll do is either reference in my site layout, or I'll import my base map control. Either one works fine. So I'll Xref the site layout, and let me create a layer for doing that, and I'll call it Xref. Make it the current layer, and I'll do an attach of, I believe it's this drawing. Don't really need it, but why not? So, and landscape topo. Okay, so let me zoom in sense, and we've got our site there. I only need to see what's inside this boundary, so I'm just going to do an X clip. And that portion should be good enough. So now I'm ready to start the vertical design process, but I do need to add some missing elements here. I need to attach this to a Civil 3D project. So I'm going to go up to Home, turn on my tool space, and I'll set my working folder, or I believe it would be Projects. And then it should find our surface. We don't have any alignments defined yet in Civil 3D. So we'll create a shortcut for our surface, create a reference, the style. Let's see, we have available nothing here, so I'll just leave it as is. Okay, and now we should be able to see the surface in here. And I see the boundary, so we're good to go. View it from isometric. I should be able to see the tin itself. So we're ready to start the vertical design now.